PDF to TIFF converter programmatically. So I have a requirement in which I need to I have a multi-page PDF, and I want to convert this multi-page PDF into a multi-page TIFF file. And also the second requirement is that the if the PDF size is 1 MB, I want the TIFF file also to be of the same size or less than that. So basically compressing the TIFF file. So usually what happens is that when we use any of the online converters or online website to convert this PDF into TIFF, the TIFF size is significantly greater than the PDF size. So if the PDF size is 1 MB, the TIFF file may be like 7 MB or 8 MB. So in order to tackle that, I came across a website which is actually um, providing example on how to convert such multi-page TIFF into multi-page PDF into TIFF. So this is a program which I tried, and I was able to like play around in order to get the desired size of the TIFF file. So I will leave a link for this website in the video, and you can also try from your end. Now, one of the requirement in order to like run this particular um, the program is that you need to have three main um, APIs, that is GitHub J image core and ICE PDF and J core. So image IO, J image IO core, ICE PDF and J core. So these three dependencies are a must, should be included in your project for running that particular piece of program. So I have created a simple Mavenized project, and I have included all these dependencies, and let me show you the program. So this is the program which I showed earlier that I have utilized this, and what it is doing is it has a main program, and it is actually iterating or getting the image in the format of it is going to iterate in the format of TIFF, and it is going to iterate till uh, it is finding this particular, it's the checking the image format basically. So this is a main program, and here you can see that the compression is have been switched off, and if the compression type is found, then it is saying that this program is not compatible for supporting such kind of compression type for the TIFF. And I have a file path. So basically, if I need any PDF to be converted, so this is the path that I am going to provide the file path. And then there are kind of checks, and it's using the document. So this document is from the ICE PDF P objects document, and it is utilizing, so it is basically saving the page capture to the file, and then painting each of the pages to an image and writing the image to file. So there are different attributes like scale, rotation, and then checking the target DPI, and finally saving it in a specific folder, right? So this is the entire program, um, a very simple program, I would say. And there are few parameters as I mentioned earlier. So there is a DPI, that is fax resolution, printer resolution, which is basically the DPI, and the compression type, which is it is checking for, and then there is scale, rotation, and the calculation for the DPI again here, that remain constant. I'm not going to touch on it, but I'll show you how you can use the scale and rotation, to get the desired size of the PDF. So let me run this application and show you how it works. So I have a 40-page PDF. So this is my sample PDFs that I'm going to use. This is a 40-page PDF. The size is 1.6 MB, and when I run, you will see that depending upon the DPI and the scale and rotation that I have used, the size will be reduced. Now, if I want to increase the size, I can definitely increase the DPI or the scale, and the size will increase. So let me run it, run this application, and the input path is already set. So I'm taking a 40-page PDF, and it is running right now, and it has finished as well. So if we go here, we'll see that the name of the file that was generated was image capture, and this is 625 KB, and the input PDF that we took was 1.6 MB. So basically the size is reduced. Now if I want to get a different size PDF, right? A TIFF, different size of TIFF file. Suppose I want a greater than or equal to kind of like 1.6 MB. We can play around with the DPI and the size. So let me show you how we can achieve that. So here, scale, I'm going to increase the scale to 9, and rotation as 1. Or let me increase as 1.1. Okay, scale and rotation I'm going to increase, and then run this program again. So it is running, and let's see. So now you can see that the size of the TIFF file is 3 MB. So our input was 1.6 MB and the size is 3 MB. So we can use those three parameters to adjust our image size. So our image size we change based on the scale. So we can reduce the scale again. I can go for a lesser scale, and the rotation we'll keep it as 1F to 200. So we can either increase or decrease. So if I make it as 100 and then run the program again, let's see what happens. So the size should decrease because we want the size that we need for, right? We either need a bigger size or a lesser size according to the kind of requirement that we have. So this is still 3 MB. Let me make it as 2 again, and let me the parameters that we have here. So I will reduce it to 6, and I'll make the rotation as 0, and run again. And before running, um, I just want to delete this so that it's not it's a overriding it. So the program is running again, and let's see what's the size based on this scale and rotation and the DPI that we have set. So this is completed, and we have now 881 KB, which is less than 1 MB, right? So in this way, we can use this program in order to get the desired size. So very good program that we can use for getting the desired size of the TIFF file. So that's all for today. And if you have any question, leave in the comment below and I will respond at the earliest. And if you have any suggestion for any other type of conversion that you would like to see, do let me know. Thank you so much for watching.